everyone. Welcome to week 6 lecture, Market Structure Part 1. Market structure is referred to market characteristics that affect behavior and performance of the firms in the same industry. Among the factors that influence competitive environment of a market include number of buyers and sellers in an industry, nature of product offered by sellers, whether the products are homogeneous or differentiated, barriers to market entry and exit. Number of buyers and sellers influence power of sellers in determining market price. A seller has high power to control over product price when the seller has high market shares. Nature of product can be categorized into two types, namely homogeneous and differentiated products. Homogeneous means identical or standardized. Agricultural products such as rice, sugar, and corn are homogeneous products. Consumers are hardly identify differences among the homogeneous products. The advantage of producing homogeneous product is to minimize production costs in price competition. On the other hand, differentiated products can be easily differentiated based on product features such as quality, capacity, and packaging. Differentiated products such as cars and mobile phones encourage research and development, innovation, and advertising in non-price competition. Barriers of market entry and exit are the constraints that prevent new firms to enter into an industry. Barriers are anything that protect an existing firm from the arrival of new competitors. Barriers of market entry and exit are high when larger capital and advanced technology are required to set up a business. In general, there are four types of market structure. These include perfect competition, monopolistic, oligopoly, and monopoly. Categorization of market types is based on number of sellers, type of product offered by producers, power of producer over price, barriers to entry, and non-price competition. In this week, we are focusing on perfect competition and monopoly. Then the following week, we'll cover monopolistic and oligopoly. In a perfect competition market, there are many firms selling homogeneous products to many buyers. Besides that, buyers and sellers have perfect knowledge on prices charged by each firm. Each firm has very small market share, therefore each firm has no power to influence market price through quantity supply. In other words, each firm is a price taker. Since there are many firms offer homogeneous products in a perfect competition market, there are very low barriers on entry into and exit from the market. It means new firm is free to set up production and the existing firm is free to leave the industry. In a perfectly competitive market, product price is determined by the intersection of market demand and market supply. For instance, in panel A, the market price of wheat is $4 per bushel. That is the market equivalent price when demand and supply costs for wheat intersect. Assuming that Parker is a wheat farmer, if Parker stops growing wheat altogether, the market price of wheat will not be affected because there are many farmers growing wheat. Parker will take the market price of $4 and sell at a quantity of its choice. Therefore, demand curve for Parker's wheat is a horizontal line as shown in panel B. It implies that individual firm in a perfect competition market has perfectly elastic demand.